That's me, Miss 20-something, ain't got nothing.
Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Lova. I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be a hair review, okay? We're doing a hair review. Your girl's back. I haven't done a hair review in so long, and I'm happy to be back and, you know, doing what I love. Okay, girl? I got a little flyaway. It's coming out. Alright. So, okay, just make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at _melova, and Twitter _melova. Okay, follow me there so we can stay connected, and I appreciate all the new lovers that has entered the squad. So let's get into this hair review, child. So this hair review is going to be on Nayavista hair. Yes. Okay, so if you don't know what Nayavista hair is, where have you been, child? Let me inform you. Nayavista hair is ran by she's an Instagram influencer, plus she has a podcast, plus she has a YouTube. She's a YouTuber. Okay, her name is Anaya Ivy. She goes by the Annihilator on Instagram. I will, you know, tag her Instagram right here, and I'm just gonna get into the unboxing. I ordered a let me tell you guys how I decided to order from her. I always watched Anaya as, you know, growing up as a young girl. So she recently had a sale, a birthday sale, where it was like, I believe it was 20% off. It was like 20% off of everything, really. No, 20% off of the hair, I believe it was. So I purchased, and I'm going to show you guys, this is an unboxing video, so I'm going to show you guys all the packaging and everything like that. I'm not going to lie, I opened the package because I wanted to see the hair, like, but I didn't really like toy with the hair too much. So let me show you guys how it comes. It comes in, you know, United Postal thing, because we're in COVID, baby, so it is what it is. And then she has this card that comes in there. Naya. That's my thumbnail. Hopefully it takes. But it just says a little card that comes with, you know, the wig. It says, "Thank you for shopping with us. Follow us and tag us in pics for a repost on Nayavista." So, and then she gives you like a little 10% code off. Y'all can't see that because it's my 10%, honey. And if we ever work together, then maybe I can get you guys a code. But yeah, I was so excited to order from her because, like, I love her style, I love her personality. She's that girl. She's that girl for me. So, you know. But I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. Sorry if I'm talking fast. I do talk fast. But yeah, so let me show you guys let me show you what else I got. I'm not gonna show you the wig yet. So it comes with this bag. It's like a satin bag. I guess it's to hold your wig. That's really nice. And she has like her logo, Nayavista, and you can purchase it at shop@nayavista.com. And if you want, you just follow her on Instagram. So, and she has two Instagrams. One's her business page and one's her regular page. You should follow both because she's that girl, period. So, and then it comes with like I believe this band is to like lay your lace. I'm gonna come back with a video of like a initial hair review once I get the wig installed, but that's probably going to be like a while from now because I'm not going anywhere, so it makes no sense for me to get it installed, even though I really want to. But okay, so watch out for that video. So I got a 20-inch full lace wig, natural color, curly wavy. So I like big hair, so when I saw this, and this ran me, I end up paying, let me make sure, sorry I don't have the receipt pulled up real quick, that's crazy, I should. I ended up paying, I believe it was $240. That was with the 20% off, I believe. So, but I always hear really good stuff about her hair. Like, she's not bogus, so it is what it is. And with the 20% off, that took off like $58, and I only spent, let me see how much I spent. It's my receipt. Yeah, so everything came up to like originally the wig was $293. I spent $234 before shipping and handling, so the wig came down to $234. So I saved $58. I believe that's like 20% off, right? So that was a good sale. So when she has a sale, I say y'all jump on it, because that was a really good, you know, you saved your little 50 ball from there. All right, so let me show you guys the wig. And this is me. I touched the bottom of the wig, but I didn't really, you know, go into detail because I wanted to unbox it with you. And it comes in this bag, and it just shows you like the inches. I don't know if you can be able to see that. Don't mind my nails, it's a little ratchet right now. I have to get them done this week. So that's the bag that it comes in. The hair comes in a little net, you know, standard. And then this is a full lace wig, you know, a little paper. So this is this is a 20-inch. The hair is so soft, so nice. I like it. It's curly hair, so it's not gonna look really long to be 20 inches, you know. Oh, it has gray hair, so that means that it's like really like, you know, virgin hair. Because when the hair is gray and it has grays, that means that it's virgin. So yeah, this is the hair. It's really silky and nice. You can put your fingers through it. It's not giving me a lot of shedding at all, really. I got like 2 strands. You can see it. But that's because it's curly hair, so what you would expect? It's going to have a little bit of shedding. So yeah, this is the hair. Let me show you guys the lace. Okay, this is the lace. The lace is not, I don't think the lace is like bleached or anything like that, so you may have to bleach. The knots. I don't think the knots are bleached, so you may have to bleach the knots. Inside the wig, it has the combs, so that's good. I'm happy about that. Some wigs don't have, like some full lace wigs don't have the combs, so it has the combs in there. The only thing that it doesn't have that, oh yes it does, it has the little straps. Look at that, look at that. It has the little straps, you know, to adjust for your head. I have a pretty big head, so I will be very happy if this fits. I'm not gonna, I guess I should show you guys me with the wig on. I'm gonna show it, but the hair is so soft, guys. I think that this is good quality hair. I can't wait to get it installed after COVID. So I'm excited about that. This is nice, and it has a standard hairline. Like, you could pretty much part it any way. It doesn't, like, it's not a middle part or a side part. It's a full lace wig, so you pick your parting basically. But you do have to get the lace bleached. You do have to get the, you know, the knots bleached and stuff. You have to bleach the lace, because I'm not this light, so I will have to, or I will have to add some foundation or something like that. But the lady that does my hair, she bleaches, you know, the closures and stuff like that, so I'll be good. I'm gonna put the wig on. I'm gonna leave for a second and come right back to show you guys it on my head real quick. So I put the wig on. I did a little ghetto though, because I don't have a wig cap on. I just slipped it on my head. But this wig is definitely big head friendly. It has a lot of room, and the hairline is nice. I mean, it has a lot of room. You see all this room, so I could just move it up like my hairstylist does it. You just move it up, you know, because it has a lot more room. I just stuck my hair in the wig. But yeah, it has a lot of room. I will definitely have to get the knots bleached, because, or put some concealer in, because because my skin tone is not this skin tone, but if you are lighter, it may work for you, you know. But homegirl is a mocha caramel frap for me. Not even a frap, but yeah, not a frap. Yeah, but this wig is nice. I like it. The hair is definitely good quality, and like the more you play with curly hair, the bigger it gets, and the more I love it. Period. So I like it. The hairline is gonna need to be plucked a little bit, because my hairline is not like your standard hairline, you know. And I don't think I want my wig all the way down here. I kind of like my big forehead vibes that I got, you know. So yeah, but this is how the wig passed the big head friendly check. Okay, so that's what this wig passed. It passed the big head friendly check. It's very cute. You can part it any way you like, you know. And if you're a hair girl and you know how to lay this wig, I think that you would really like it. I am a wig girl, but I'm not a full, like, I feel like something like this, I should get braids under it, get a little somewhere, lay the lace, you know. I'm like more of a half wig type of John, you know. But this is cute. I can't wait to get this installed. This is like vacation hair or birthday hair, because I love the big hair. Let me show you guys the back. It's not like super long because it's curly. Like, it's not gonna touch your butt. It's curly 20-inch hair. So at first I was a little confused. I'm like, why is it not that long? But then I reminded myself, I'm like, it's curly hair, so it's not gonna, oh, that's my hair, sorry guys, it's not gonna be that long. So but yeah, this is my unboxing video of my Nayavista hair. I'm so excited to get this installed. I can't wait. I'm gonna take this off now, but woo child, I can't wait to get it installed and everything. We back. I can't wait to get it installed. The color is natural. The color is a natural brown, so that's nice. That goes with my hair color anyway. Later on, I want to try it, because this hair it's pretty good. I think that I could dye this. It definitely gives me, like, you know, quality feel. So I think that this could be dyed or bleached. It gives me that quality, and it's not shedding that much. Like, it's really not. Like, I've been rubbing my hands through this. It got little snags, you know, because it's curly, so it's gonna shed. It's shedding a little bit because it's curly, so it's just expected that it's gonna shed. But yeah guys, so this is the end of the video. I just want to show you guys my new wig that I got from Nayavista. This is an unboxing video. I'm gonna come back with a hair review on how I like the hair once I put it on, and once I, you know, wear it for like a week or so, just to give you guys, you know, the deets of how the hair holds up on a normal girl, because I'm a very normal girl. So prepare for that. I'm so happy to be back, and prepare for more vlogs, try on hauls. I'm gonna do a swimsuit try on haul soon. I'm just deciding who to do my review on, because everybody is getting canceled and everybody is acting crazy. So I get why they're being canceled. I fully understand why they're being canceled. So I have to, you know, see who I want to spend my coin with and who I can afford to spend my coin with. So yeah, just if you guys know any businesses that I can, you know, do swimsuit try on hauls with, let me know down in the comments. Comment down below how you feel about this curly wig. Naya wears this type of curl all the time, so that's why I got it, because I love her hair. I probably should have got it a little bit longer, but I might order another one later on once I get a feel for how I like the hair once I wear it. So yeah, let me stop tossing around my Nayavista hair. Naya, if you're watching this, girl, hey girl, I love you. But yeah, thanks for coming out with these wigs, child. You know I pay for it myself, but thanks, you know. But yeah, guys, so never let anybody dull your sparkle. And remember, I keep forgetting, remember to subscribe, share. Don't you want more people to come to the Lova Squad? Like, if you love me, bring more family. Okay, so all right, love you guys. Remember to follow me on Instagram at _malova, Twitter _malova. Share with your family, share with your mama. I know mom needs a new wig too, because we're in quarantine. We're learning how to do our hair. I might even learn how to do my hair with this wig, period. So okay, never let anybody dull your sparkle, and I love you guys. You're beautiful. Good night.
Good luck on them 20-somethings. Good luck on them 20-somethings.